Live from San Diego, this is the Fox 5 Morning News at 6.
Well, from a hippo to a fish, guys. Good morning, everyone. We are live at the World Balloon Convention. You guys see the fin there? There we go. We're going to bring you the best in the world when it comes to balloons. It's considered the Olympics of balloons. We'll have that live report for you. I probably look ridiculous. Guys, this is coming up.
Dozens of countries trying to blow away the judges at the World Balloon Convention, and it's happening this weekend.
There's like a convention for everything. Eric Richards live on Harbor Island with the preview, and this is pretty cool. Like those things behind you, are those all balloons? Like, Raul, stop. Look.
Shali, everything in here is made purely of balloons.
Look at
every single thing. So yes, the judges completely blown away. This is the Hulk. This is the Hulk. I believe, Sandy, is this Italy?
That's Italy, yeah.
This is Italy right here. So dozens of countries competing in this competition, really just trying to take home the title of this amazing event. This is the first time it's in San Diego. It's really spectacular. You can just see like the veins and you know the balloons inside this. So pretty spectacular. I want to come over here because I want to talk to really the head honchos of this event. Betty, did I get that correct? And Ted. Okay, and I want to show you also the amazing detail that every balloon in here kind of represents, and each has a story as well. First of all, good morning to the both of you. Thanks for waking us somewhat early, right?
Yeah. And good morning, San Diego.
Good morning.
Yes. We are really pleased to be here in San Diego.
And we're happy to have you guys. What is behind us? This is remarkable.
Oh, I was gonna say, it is amazing. We never dreamed that people could do these things with balloons. We've been making balloons actually for 100 years.
Yeah.
But today, what people around the world have come and they've taken balloons and they've taken them to a whole new
different level. Exactly,
yes,
right?
Yes.
And you guys are really the pioneers behind, I would say, maybe balloons, correct?
Well, we've been around for a long time.
A long time.
Yes.
We say, well, Pioneer's been around for 100 years, but we tell people we're not quite that old yet.
Not that old.
Almost.
You guys are awesome. Well, thank you for talking with us. Guys, I cannot get over this wolf. Even the moon, that's a balloon.
Incredible. I mean, but look at the flow of balloon and texture. And what they do, they put one balloon inside of another balloon to get a variety of different colors.
Wow.
And all we do is make them.
You just make them. They create. Exactly. Okay. Well, I want to talk to Nicole too because she's from Australia, and of course, dozens of countries competing. You made the fish that I was in. Thank you so much.
The fish and the hippo, yes, no,
the
absolute
fish and
pleasure.
the hippo. I don't think anyone can forget that.
No, they're bigger than life, aren't they?
Yes, exactly. How exciting is to be a part of something so huge, I guess, in the balloon industry?
Oh, look, it's absolutely amazing. I mean, when you think you've got instructors from, 30 instructors from different countries, 52 countries being represented here, 1,000 delegates. I mean, it's something every 2 years that comes along, and we can't wait to be a part of it, to be a delegate, to be an instructor. I mean, it's just amazing to share the love of balloons and all the designs and fun.
And these masterpieces, I mean, I've never even seen. It's important to add, too, that the majority of these creations, it's air, not helium.
That's right, all air-filled. Yeah, and amazing what they can do with it, just adding all the balloons together to create such a scene. And I mean, it just brings joy to you, doesn't it?
Yes, and I think we saw the dresses earlier. I think those are just incredible, too. I mean, women actually wear these.
They do. Not just balloon costumes, but also obviously gorgeous dresses. So, I mean, you think we started from sort of the balloon dog and the sword, and
here we are.
Here we are now.
It's at the World Balloon Convention. Who would have thought?
Who would have thought?
Who would have thought? Well, thank you, Nicole. We appreciate your time this morning. I love your pink hair. Okay, Shali, Raul, back in the studio. I mean, this is really something we rarely see. First time in San Diego, it's actually been here. This is not open to the public. I know it's kind of unfortunate. You would just imagine a lot of people, maybe kiddos, trying to pop these things, so maybe that's why they're not allowed in here. But overall, this is really spectacular. I know the judges have already voted for their best balloon creation. That will be announced tomorrow here at the hotel. So it should be interesting who takes home this incredible title. Guys,
Where?
for now, we'll send it back to you.
Where's the Beauty and the Beast dress behind him?
Back there.
Let me see.
Belle's dress was right behind him.
Right here.
Yeah.
This is Belle.
Wow.
Yeah, check that out.
That's impressive.
That is very impressive.
Yeah. A lot of work, a lot
incredible.
of detail. All right, Eric Richards, good job. That was good stuff.